Hello, viewers. Welcome to English Grammar Test. Test your English skills. You will have 6 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
Question number 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't like swimming. B. She doesn't like swimming. C. She not like swimming. Question number 2. Fill in the blank. I dash a book yesterday. A. Read. B. Reads. C. Read. Past tense. Question number 3. Which preposition fits? The cat is dash the box. A. On B. In C. Under. Question number 4. Complete. I have been working dash 9 a.m. A. for B since C from... Question number 5. Choose the correct form. They dash to the gym every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Are going. Question number 6. Which of these is an adjective? A. Quickly. B. Beautiful. C. Eat. Question number 7. Complete the sentence. She dashed to the office now. A is going. B are going. C goes. Question number 8. Fill in the blank. They dash already gone to the party. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. Question number 9. What is the opposite of difficult? A. Hard. B. Easy. C. Tired. Question number 10. Which is the correct form of the verb? A. I can to speak French. B. I can speak French. C. I speaks French. Question number 11. Choose the correct preposition. She is interested dash history. A in B at C with. Question number 12. Complete. We dashed to the park yesterday. A went. B go. C going. Question number 13. Which of the following is a past tense verb? A. Singing. B. Sang. C. Sings. Question number 14. Fill in the blank. The dog is dash the bed. A in B under C on. Question number 15. What is the opposite of young? A. Old. B. Big C. Small. Question number 16. Complete. I dash not like vegetables. A. Does. B. Do. C. Ammo. Question number 17. Choose the correct plural. A. Leaves. B. Leaves. C. Leaves. Question number 18. Which is the correct sentence? A. They has a cat. B. They have a cat. C. They having a cat. Question number 19. Fill in the blank. I have never dashed to Italy. A. Been B to C at. Question number 20. Complete. She is the dash girl in the class. A. Beautiful B. Most beautiful C. Beautifulest. Question number 21. Which is the correct sentence? A. He plays the piano better than me. B. He play the piano better than me. C. He plays the piano better than I. Question number 22. Fill in the blank. A. They are plays soccer. B. They play soccer. C. They playing soccer. Question number 23. Fill in the blank. She dashed to the gym every day. A. Goes B. Go C. Gone. Question number 24. Choose the correct word. She dash very well in the competition. A. Perform. B. Performs. C. Performed. Question number 25. What is the opposite of hard? A. Difficult. B. Soft. C. Tough.
Question number 26. Complete the sentence. I dashed my keys earlier. A. Lost B. Lose C. Losing. Question number 27. Fill in the blank. He is afraid dash the dark. A. Of B from C with. Question number 28. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is dash the box. A on B and C at. Question number 29. Fill in the blank. The book is dash the table. A on B at C in. Question number 30. Which is the correct question? A. Where are you from? B. Where do you live? C. You are from where? Question number 31. Complete the sentence. We dash living here for 3 years. A. Have. B. Have been. C. Had. Question number 32. Fill in the blank. They are dash friends. A. Close. B. Closely. C. Closed. Question number 33. Which sentence is correct? A. She has much books. B. She has many books. C. She have many books. Question number 34. Choose the correct word. He dash a lot of work this week. A do B, does C did. Question number 35. Fill in the blank. I have seen her, Kunashan Taras last year. A, since B, for C, from. Question number 36. Complete. The children dash playing outside right now. A is B or C, am. Question number 37. Which is the correct sentence? A, I can to speak French. B, I can speak French. C, I speaks French can. Question number 38. Fill in the blank. I have never been dash Paris. A in B to C at. Question number 39. Choose the correct sentence. A, she sings better than me. B, she sings better than I. C, she sings best than me. Question number 40. Complete the sentence, he is taller dash me. A, from B, then C, to. Question number 41. Fill in the blank. We dash going to the park next weekend. A is B or C, M. Question number 42. Which is the correct form of the verb? A, he don't like pizza. B, he doesn't like pizza. C, he don't likes pizza. Question number 43. Fill in the blank. I dash finish my homework. A, have B, had C, has. Question number 44. Choose the correct plural. 1 foot, 2 dash. A, foots. B, feet. C, feets. Question number 45. Complete the sentence. They dash running for 20 minutes. A, or B is C, been.
Question number 46. Fill in the blank. I will call you dash I arrive. A, when. B, during. C, while. Question number 47. Which is the correct past form of go? A, goed. B, went. C, gone. Question number 48. Fill in the blank. She dashed to the office every day. A, goes. B, go. C, gone. Question number 49. Choose the correct form. She dashed the piano very well. A, plays. B, plays. C, played. Question number 50. Complete the sentence. They dash watching a movie now. A is B, are C, ammy.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye. Hehe.